With lockdowns, quarantines, massive layoffs, and the genuine desire to share knowledge, many have begun thinking creatively in order to subsidize revenue streams. Today I'm going to show you how to make money by sharing what you already know through live online workshops using these 5 free tools. Firstly, you'll need to send out email invitations to let people know about your one-on-one coaching workshop. For that, we have a free email template library called Gmail Email Templates. You can choose a beautiful, pre-designed workshop invite from our free template library. Or you can copy an email invite that you received and simply edit its text and images to fit your messaging, all with just a few clicks of your mouse. Next, make sure your scheduling goes smoothly with Meeting Scheduler, the free tool that allows your clients to quickly book a one-on-one online appointment with you based on your availability in your Google Calendar. Your meeting invitee can click a link and easily choose a date or time that works best for them, without a series of back-and-forth emails, saving you time and making the onboarding process all that more easy for you to close the sale. Next up is Free Email Tracker with SMS Alerts, the tool that lets you know who's opened your emails and when. Be proactive about turning leads into customers by seeing which of your emails have been read and who needs a follow-up. You'll also be able to see if your email recipient opened the link or attachment you sent, so you can have this extra data point in your toolbox. And you can receive an SMS text notification when someone emails you back, so you can stay on top of things even when you're out on your mental health walk. Manage your clients seamlessly from inside your Gmail with Gmail Copilot. When you start getting responses back from your amazing email campaign, you're gonna need help managing it all. And that's why you'll definitely need this free customer relations manager. Gmail Copilot will display a snapshot of your email history with each person you've emailed, so you can easily see who's signed up for more information, who's paid, who has questions, and so on. And lastly, keep your records organized and tidy with Export Emails to Excel, CSV, or Google Sheets. Powered by artificial intelligence, Export Emails to Google Sheets allows you to export specific information from your emails into an organized Google Sheet, Excel spreadsheet, or CSV file. Allow these tools to make things a little easier for you as you navigate through these financially difficult times. Used to their full potential, you'll be empowered to open up your own doors and reveal new opportunities for personal success. Learn more at www.cloudhq.net.
cloudHQ, helping your productivity one click at a time.